Hi, in this video I'll show you how to convert rows into columns in Excel and vice versa. First, select your data or press Ctrl+A to select it. Right-click and choose Copy. Now place your cursor where you want the new table to start. Right-click, Paste Special, and select Transpose. Excel even shows you a preview before you click. Click it, and your rows are now columns in seconds. You can also copy using Ctrl+C. Then go to the Home tab, click the small arrow under Paste, and choose Transpose, or click Paste Special at the bottom, check Transpose, and click OK. There is also a shortcut. Copy with Ctrl+C, then press Alt-E-S one by one. Select Transpose and click OK. Now keep in mind, this method is static. That means your data will not update. For example, if I change these numbers, nothing changes in the new table. This can be a disadvantage if you need your data to update. But it can also be an advantage. For example, if I delete a month, the new table stays the same, so it depends on your situation and what exactly you need. Now let's convert columns into rows. For example, we only need the months. Select them, copy, use Transpose, and it's done. Now let's move the table to a new sheet. Copy the table, create a new sheet, and paste it with Ctrl+V. Now click the small icon in the corner and choose Transpose. Even after pasting, you can still change it. And if I delete the original sheet, nothing changes here, because this is a static copy. In the next video, I'll show you a dynamic method that updates automatically. Thanks for watching.